Project 3.1 SMT PB Machine. The purpose of this project was to expand on our soldering abilities by using surface mount soldering to assemble a barrel jack. This project opened our eyes to the world of SMT and the ability to add more parts onto a smaller board. To demonstrate the workings of this barrel jack, I attached it to a basic analog oscillator circuit, similar to the one which I built in my first hardware project in grade 10. Surface mount soldering is the process of creating circuits using surface mount technology components that are mounted directly onto the surface of a printed circuit board. Through-hole components are best used for high-reliability products that require strong connections between layers, whereas SMT components are secured only by soldering on the surface of the board. Through-hole components threads run through the board, allowing the components to withstand more environmental stress. The process used in SMT soldering is far more demanding than through-hole soldering. First of all, instead of using a solid material that is then melted down and cooled to solid temperature to secure parts in place while maintaining a proper connection, instead, a liquid paste is squeezed out of a small tube and then heated to a temperature where the flux burns off, and it hardens into the desired shape. Instead of a pen-like unit that is used to heat regular solder, for SMT soldering, a very small sort of hairdryer or heat gun is used that blows hot air onto the soldering paste and makes it harden and burns off the flux. Most industrial circuit boards make use of SMT soldering in their design, but is almost entirely done by machines, making through-hole the more popular option for hobbyists. Finally, although I struggled a little bit with the building process, I really enjoyed building this project. I found I learned a lot, and throughout the course of this project, I really enjoyed going back and building a circuit that I found quite difficult at the start of my hardware experience, but I have a greater understanding of how it worked now.